Hi friends, welcome to PlantiFy. Today we will discuss about a very interesting makeover of my purple turtle vine. You can see the poor condition of this turtle vine, right? And you see it's still in its nursery pot. I bought this plant almost 7-8 months back, but it's still in the nursery pot. That is because it was doing absolutely fine during all these months, and you should not repot a nursery pot plant immediately after bringing it home. So we can talk about it at length at some other day, but today let us talk about this. I kept it in semi-shade area and it was doing absolutely fine. It grown so much that it touched the table beneath it. So I moved it outside. But after moving it outside, the summer heat damaged this plant. It needs semi-shaded area to thrive. Now that it is monsoon and it is showing some sign of growth, now it is time to repot. So we will propagate and repot it in a beautiful pot. So let's see.
I repurposed an oil can to make this planter and took my husband's help to cut it. Now I painted a face onto it. I took some inspiration from Pinterest to make this face. I used acrylic paints to paint this, but before that I made couple of drainage hole at the bottom part of it. By the way, if you are new to this channel and watching my video for the first time, then I make videos on small space gardening. And if you are interested in gardening, plants or beautifying your home using plants, then please consider subscribing my channel PlantiFy. The URL is youtube.com/PlantiFy. Now my sleeping beauty is ready. She just needs some hairs. Propagating purple turtle vine is very easy. You just need to cut some branches and put it in the soil. So I am poking the soil with a stick. We'll just put the branches into those holes. For the potting mix, I mixed equal proportion of sand, vermicompost and coco peat with normal garden soil. Turtle vine is a kind of succulent and it needs well-draining soil. It prefers bright light condition but can't tolerate harsh sunlight. Soil should be moist but not soggy. Now I am grafting some hair on my sleeping beauty and hoping someday soon she will become Rapunzel. Now my sleeping beauty is ready. Now I have not thrown my nursery pot away. I have put all the remaining branches there to get a fresh looking hanging basket. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and put comment in the comment section below. If you have any specific question about growing purple turtle vine, please let me know. And thanks for watching.